Before we get into the editing process, let me first show you how my video looks before any effects are added. Pretty simple, right? But once we apply the out-of-frame effect, it instantly takes on a cinematic vibe that really makes the whole shot stand out. To create that look, start by dragging your video onto the timeline. Then head over to the Effects tab and search for Cinema 21:9 effect. Add that effect to your timeline. Now align it with your clip, so you get those clean cinematic bars. Next, go to the Media tab and bring in the same original video again, placing this one above the cinematic effect layer. Make sure to lower the volume on the second clip so the audio doesn't double. With that clip selected, open the AI matting section and activate Smart Cutout. Adjust your brush size however you like and start painting over your subject to mark what you want to keep. Once everything is highlighted, click to start Smart Cutout and let it work its magic. When the process finishes, hit apply and that's it. This is the result you should see once the edit is complete. Before I reveal the next effect, I have to show you the tool that makes this entire video possible, because after you see what it can do, you'll never look at screen recording the same way again. It's called FocuSee, and trust me, this thing is a game changer. Most screen recorders just record, but FocuSee, it's basically a full AI editing studio hiding inside a screen recorder. Here is the wild part. You can record your screen any way you want, even with a built-in teleprompter, so you never forget your lines. But the real magic doesn't happen with recording, it happens after. FocuSee uses AI to automatically add smooth cinematic zooms, keeping attention on the things you are actually talking about. No keyframes, no manual animation, it just does it. With Smart Spotlight, you can highlight any part of your screen, instantly drawing attention to the details that matter. The customization is next level. You can tweak padding, corner roundness, and shadows to make your video look like high-end tutorial. There is even a huge library of clean, professional backgrounds that instantly give your recording a professional look. It doesn't stop there. Click effects, custom cursor styles, and cursor sounds all add that polished professional vibe. You also get full control over zoom animations and motion blur, so every movement feels smooth and intentional. FocuSee even has a Smart Cut feature that automatically removes silences, pauses and mistakes, cleaning up your recording without any extra effort. You can also drop in AI avatars, perfect for explainers or for adding a presence on screen without being on camera. The best part, it doesn't just make editing easier, it cuts post-production time by up to 50%, which is why creators love it. If you're ready to level up your videos and speed up your editing, click the link in the description and start using FocuSee today. Now let me show you the easiest way to make a cinematic 3-layer video. First, head over to the Templates tab, then click on Split Screen. Scroll down until you find this template and hit the plus button to drop it straight into the timeline. Once it's added, you can clean things up, remove the borders, tweak the settings and make it look way more cinematic. Next, click on the first image, then tap the Settings button. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and import your clips. When you're done, just drag each clip into the layer you want to replace. Click on any clip to resize it so it fits perfectly, and down in the timeline you can align all your clips to keep everything smooth. And that's it. Hit apply and this is how your cinematic 3-layer video should look. Next up is my favorite effect, the hologram effect. I'm going to use it in this video to create a realistic hologram screen. First, drag your overlay video onto the timeline above your main clip. I'm using a screen recording as an example here. If you want, you can speed it up, but that part is totally optional. Next, align the clip so it fits your video. Then head over to the Basic tab and scale it down using the size controls. Now flip the clip so it looks more natural. After that, move it around until it looks right. I placed mine above the laptop screen. Once the position looks good, go to the Effects tab and search for Sci-Fi. Add this effect to your clip to instantly give it that hologram vibe. Then jump back to the Basic tab and change the blend mode to screen. This makes the clip transparent, and you can also adjust the opacity to get the exact look you want. Next, go back to the Effects tab and search for Corner Pin. Add it to your overlay clip, click the Effects button and select Corner Pin. Now you can fine-tune it by adjusting the sliders on the right or simply drag each corner until it fits perfectly. Once you're happy with how it looks, head over to the Animation tab and add an in animation to make it even smoother. And that's it. Here is the final result.